Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we've got a nice 2005 S205 Bobcat skid steer loader. 2382 on the hours. It is powered by a 61 horse Kubota 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel. Vertical lift arms, rated operating capacity of 2050. The tipping load on this one is 4,100 pounds. This machine, sized right, easy to handle whatever you're going to move. And you know, it's easy to transport as well. 6,250 on the operating weight, so nice machine to trailer. Tires good, they're 10/16/5, and they are heavy duties. You can see by the rims, this machine has not had much abuse. This is a gold package machine, so we've got power bob attach, suspension seat, standard controls, keyless ignition, and we've also got heat and air conditioning. Standard flow machine, 16.3 gallon per minute. The machine has received new paint. There is some pitting on the metal. Again, heat and air conditioning, good hours on the machine. Kubota power, dependable, dependable. Let's take a look at the interior. Here's a shot of our hours, 2382.1. Again, we're going to go ahead and fire it up. We got our keyless panel. It's asking for the password. We can customize one for you. Now we're ready to start. You know, the advantage of that keyless panel, or excuse me, the key panel, is if someone tries to get in your machine and take it, it's not going anywhere. They cannot start it without the code. Full instrumentation. Again, a standard flow machine. Heat with air conditioning. Got our front wiper. Overall, a real nice clean machine. It is a single speed machine. Great visibility. You can see your tires. Easy to load. Let's go ahead and run the boom up and down. See the power bob attach opening up there. Open it up again. Nice machine. Give Jeff a call at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. 2005 S205 Bobcat skid steer loader. 61 horse, 4-cylinder Kubota diesel. We've got a 2050 rated operating capacity with a 6,250 operating weight. 7 miles per hour. It is a single speed machine. If you want to go faster, we've got taller tires for you at an additional cost. Heat with air conditioning. Vertical lift arms, it reaches 118.2 inches to the hinge pins. Power bob attach, standard flow, great tires. This machine is ready to roll. Give us a call again, Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, on this 2005 S205 Bobcat skid steer loader. Call Jeff direct, 715-781-3940. Again, Jeff, Tri-State Bobcat, 715-781-3940. Thank you.